Hi again YouTube, sorry about the lack of updates. We were away for the Easter bank holiday and I've been waiting for a couple of parts to turn up. We've been working hard sanding on the bumper, so check out this latest situation and I'll see you again soon. Okay, here's an update on the bumper, all pushed out back into shape and epoxy look on the cracks. I've filled in this main area here where the damage was, and then all the cracks down here, and it's nice and solid. I'm really pleased with the repair. Still needs a bit of sanding to do, but it's nice and complete. Need to feather in the edges, but we're getting there. It's come on a lot of last night's sanding. It's not going to be perfect, but it should look okay. Okay, so I've sprayed on a layer of putty to hopefully fill in all those pinholes so I can sand it back, put on some primer and then some colour hopefully. Just did the bits here that needed an extra little coat. Update on the bumper, it's all in primer. It's main repair area, looking pretty good. Don't know if you'll make it out, but there's a little pinhole, put some stopper to fill that in, just to repair. Little crack there and where it's flexing still, so I need to get it a bit more secure, but I'm pleased with the repair. And put a lot of work into the filler. So next up will be stoppering the bumper and some paint. I'll try and film that at the weekend. Remember to like, subscribe and share. See you again soon.